Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, Company Coaching, 2021. Your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of comfortable footwear, specifically focusing on the best flip-flops for long walks. And let me tell you, we found a real gem. Introducing the KuaiLu Women's Yoga Foam Flip-Flops with Arch Support Thong Sandals. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me just say, these flip-flops are an absolute game-changer when it comes to comfort and style. So, what makes these flip-flops stand out from the rest? Well, let's start with the basics. Crafted with a memory foam yoga padding, these sandals provide unparalleled cushioning and support, making every step feel like a walk on clouds. But it doesn't stop there. The wide cloth straps are not only flexible but also incredibly soft, ensuring a snug fit without any rubbing or discomfort. Plus, the durable synthetic sole offers excellent traction, so you can confidently stroll on any surface, wet or dry. So, to sum it all up, if you're in the market for flip-flops that can keep up with your active lifestyle, look no further than the KuaiLu Women's Yoga Foam Flip-Flops. With their unbeatable comfort, support, and style, they truly are the best flip-flops for long walks. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy walking. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.